Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your phone number on your Binance app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you open the Binance app and at the top left corner of the screen, you have the Binance icon. You have to tap on it and again, you have your ID and your username. You get to tap on it. It's going to take you to your account center. Now, of course, your phone number is yet another way to authenticate or verify your account. So we have to go to security, and under security, we have different authentication methods. You have passkeys, authenticator app, email, password, and phone number. So if you want to change your phone number, you just tap on your phone number there, and you can see the phone number registered to this Binance account. Protect it that way, and we have the option to delete it with the dustbin icon. Or we could edit it with the edit icon. So whatever you want to do, you could do just that. You could tap on it. Of course, they're going to ask you to confirm, and you can confirm that and put the number you desire. So that is how you can change your phone number on Binance. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.